Hi guys, I'm going to show you all the effects that are on my dad's computer. Birthday. Like I haven't gone through them yet. What the heck is this? Oh, it's just like a little city. Oh, wrong one. Have you seen this person? I like that one. Let me out of here. This one's pretty. It's like a London themed. Yeah, that's in London because it's got that little beep button. Beep. Got the little tower. That's in London, the clock tower. That one's cool. There's New York City. I couldn't see it for a second. Paris. Is it Italy, I think? Yeah, Italy? I don't know. I think that's Indiana. I don't know. Space! Aboard! Mission! Aboard! Broadway, a theater thing. So now I will go through the avatars. Oh, there's a little cute kitten. There's your mama kitten. Will Ferrell. I mean, not Will Ferrell. Ugh. I forgot his name. What the heck? This creepy dude. Oh, it's a cute baby. Oh, that's an ugly alien. A little vampire, emo vampire thing, I think. I don't know. Aw, cute puppy. Another vicious looking puppy. And a skeleton. Now we'll go. Okay, there's this. Like, there's emotions you can set them to. Okay. What? Hold on. Watch his nose. Poor kitty. Okay. This one's... It's not even on his head. Okay, now it is. This looks like a sim. That's what my baby sister doing probably right now. Wait, did I do this one? I didn't do this one. I'm so retarded. Okay, now back to Lane. Look at his teeth. Oh snap. No. What'd you do? I'm guilty. Ew. I'm trying to get it over with. I don't think skeletons can sweat. That's all he does. Hold on. He glitched for a second. Okay, so those were all of the effects on on my dad's computer, and I hope you enjoyed, and like and favorite if you enjoyed. Subscribe, please. It would help me out a lot. I don't have any subscribers, so bye.